July 28th, and I just got through working out, y'all, so don't mind how I look. I know I look so rough, but anyways, I just got through working out, and I have a couple of things I want to do today. So today, y'all, I was gonna go to the clothing donation again and see what I can find. I wanted some more workout clothes. I was hopefully I was wanting to find some spandex and maybe some sports bras, y'all. I would wear sports bras behind as long as I can wash them. It's nothing to me. I grew up on garage sale clothing, so it's nothing to me. Only thing I won't wear is the undergarments, and that's because back then I didn't have a choice, but today I have a choice, and I don't wear underwear behind anybody. But I will wear probably just a sports bra. Just a sports bra or something like that. Okay, y'all, so I am in a rush this morning because I am trying to go to him. I just want to find me some more workout clothes, and if I find something more, I pick more for myself. I picked it up too. But right now, y'all, this is what I have on. I know, and if I wear the same thing over and over, y'all, it's okay. I'm just grateful for what I have. Lord say, if you be faithful over a few things, I'll make you rule over many. So yeah, I'm just grateful for the things I have. So I got on this old navy shirt, some jeggings, and some Nikes. But yeah, y'all, I'm in a rush, y'all, so I have to go. Okay, y'all, so the air is on, so I have to talk loud. I am on my way, y'all. My car stinks. Christasia and her friend keep stinking and dirtying up my car. Like, I don't know. They finna have to do something totally different because I be putting work in. And I clean this car by myself, and they not finna mess this car up. So I'm gonna have to tell them right now when I get back. Anyways, y'all, I am on my way to the clothing donation place. I just feel like I could use more workout clothes. I'm really, like I said, I'm really focusing a lot on my health and my wealth. So yeah, I'm focusing a lot on my health and my wealth, and so I need more workout clothes. So that's what I'm on my way to this morning. And I have to talk loud because, like I said, y'all, if I don't talk loud, this air conditioner will drain my little voice out. And yeah, so that's what I'm headed to. Y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe if y'all haven't already. Become part of the All About Jazz Family YouTube channel. If you are new, hit that subscribe button. And if you have been a sub, y'all, thank y'all so much for y'all love and support. And continue to share the videos with everyone that you know and love. And y'all, there's no shame in my game when it comes down to this donation place. Me, I am a firm believer of God's word. He said, if you be faithful over a few things, I'll make you rule over many. So I don't mind hand-me-downs by far. I actually grew up on hand-me-downs. My grandmother used to garage sell us clothes and shoes like crazy. Back then we used to have to wear them garage sale underwear too. We didn't have a choice. But now that I have a choice, I'm not gonna wear underwear. I'm not gonna get no underwear or anything like that. No, don't get me wrong. Like, if I see a nice sports bra or something like that, I'm gonna pick it up. I'm just not gonna wear nobody else's undergarments. But if I see a nice sports bra that can be washed, of course, I'm going to snatch it up. Like, ain't no shame in my game. And so, yeah, that's where I'm on my way to. And I pray that I find some nice things because I really, really need it. And I don't have the money, y'all. Especially with getting ready to move. I don't have the money to go out and buy all that stuff. Like, I just don't. I have to save as much as possible. And if the donut, I don't know. I didn't think that car was going to stop. But it did. So yeah, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and vlog my way there. Yeah, enjoy the video. I'm not mad. I'm not mad that I got here early. Okay, y'all. So I've been left the donation place. I just went to Walmart and picked up some, y'all. I didn't vlog because holding the camera is so difficult. Like, I didn't vlog, and my basket was kind of heavy this go around, so I wasn't able to record it all. But anyways, y'all, I'm on my way home right now to my kids, and yeah, and I just show y'all everything that I have when I get home. This is gonna be like a small grocery haul slash clothing haul. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, stay locked in, like, share, comment, and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Okay, so that's better. All right, y'all. Since I decided not to do a grocery haul simply because I was on a call. Christasia had to go to work, and it was small. I didn't have maybe like 5 or 6 items, so I decided not to do a haul. So anyways, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do the clothing haul because I found some good stuff, and I just wanted to show y'all the stuff that I found. I'm gonna start off with these shoes over here, and yeah, y'all, let's get into the video. Let me see that shoe, Kenzie. Let me see the other shoe, the other white one. So I found these. These are low heels, and I know to me they don't look oldish. They're just like low heels, and they're a 7.5, and I can wear a 7.5. So I like these. I like low heels, y'all. I can't wear high heels. Like, I'm not a high heel person. I can do platforms and booties, but I can't do high arch. So I have these. Cute. I have these right here.
But they're cute.
Let me see those. Watch the camera, please. Thank you. Watch the camera. Okay, and then I found these. I thought these were super duper cute. They have a little wear and tear in them, but other than that, I found these. I thought these was super duper cute. Y'all get into the look. So I'm gonna enjoy wearing these. For real, for real. Okay, now onto the clothes. I don't know why I got these belts, but I'm a fan of belts. So I got these little wraparounds right here. It can go on like a pair of black pants and something. And then I have this little jean one right here.
You want to show this black one?
Okay.
Show the black one.
Hold on, baby. I'm going to show them everything that's in the bag. And y'all know I wash this stuff. Even though it's pre-washed before they put it out, I go ahead and wash this stuff anyway. So I have this little yellow shirt right here. Y'all know I'm losing weight, so don't judge me. I got this shirt right here that says Faith Over Fear. I love this shirt. I actually had another one like that. So it says Faith Over Fear. And I love the color I love the fact that it's yellow. Kenzie, you will have to come over here if you want to help. Come sit beside me. Oh, y'all, she be wanting to get it. Okay, so this right here is a little Adidas top that she have. So this is a little Adidas top. Y'all, they didn't really have nothing for my kids just go around. Christasia picking up weight, so she couldn't even wear the pants. Okay, y'all, this my babies. Lord have mercy. Okay, so how about you hand me the stuff and I'll show it to them. So you can dig in the bag. Wait for me to ask for it, okay? So you can hand me the stuff. Thank you so much. Okay, so I have these pants. Like I said, y'all, I am losing weight. So I have these pants right here. I love them. I'm not going to lie. I like them. Little skinny jeans.
This one?
Give me something. Oh Lord. Pick that up for me.
Nice one.
I have this shirt right here. It says loved. It says loved and it says John 3:16. So yeah. I have this shirt right here with a cross on it. Y'all know I love me some Jesus. So don't judge a girl. Hold on. Hold on, baby.
Why this one cute?
Hold on. I'm going to show it to him in a second, okay? So I have this shirt right here with a cross on it. So cute. Thank you. I found this skirt right here. Absolutely love. It's a little skirt. So love that. Thank you. I've got these little jeggings, y'all. I'm a fan of jeggings. Hold on, Kenzie, you're gonna go too fast. Okay, so y'all, I got some jeggings, and they have a little bit of shreds in them on the leg. So yeah. So those are cute. And y'all, seriously, they really didn't have enough for my kids. All the stuff for Kenzie was too small or too big, and all the stuff for Christasia was just too small. I picked up this jersey, y'all, because I'm a Cowboys fan. I got this at the men's section, but I love it, and it says Blesso. So yeah, got me a Cowboys jersey.
I just saw it. Oh, right here. It was right.
Thank you. I have this little gray top right here. For like when it get cold, or I can put some tights on a rainy day or something, whatnot. Thank you. I actually have some pants in there. I think they would look good with this. They're like they're kind of like hold on, baby. They're kind of like joggers. So yeah, it's like some pants in there. They're kind of joggers. I feel like it'll go with this. So I saw this and I picked this up. I thought this shirt right here was absolutely cute. You can wear this with some jeans or to church, or I like it. Some church or some black leggings. So yeah, that's super duper cute. Thank you. And now I have this shirt right here. This is of course for church. Y'all love me some church. So yeah, that's cute. I love the ruffles on the arm.
I think this could be cute right here.
Yeah. Give me the next thing. Thank you. Okay, and this shirt right here is adorable. It says Awakening Worship in Our City. This is a little t-shirt, Awakening Worship in Our City. And y'all know these are good shirts, right? I'm gonna have to try to make some room for these shirts. If I have to buy a bin or hang them up, I'm making room.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Let me see.
It's so pretty.
Okay, I picked this up because I feel like this right here can go with some. It's more like a workout shirt, but I can wear this like with some biker tights or like any kind of tights. I wouldn't want to wear this with no jeans or nothing. At least I don't think. But yeah, that is super duper cute.
I got something.
I got this little sweater. This is so cute. I also got some pants in there. I feel like they will go with this as well. I hope it's the same color blue. I'm not sure, but I'm hoping that it is because I can put it together.
What? Right here.
What is this? Oh, this shirt is really, really nice. Don't know if I can fit it. I didn't know it was this big. It's super duper big. So I don't know about this, but we'll see. Super duper big, but it is cute.
Whoa.
This shirt right here is also gorgeous. I know y'all probably be like, this girl just like an old woman, y'all. But y'all gotta understand, I love God, and when I gave my life to Christ, I just started covering my body up. Like, I don't be wearing no short clothes. I don't want to be wearing no booty shorts, no, none like that. And to be honest with you, I don't even have to just throw that out there. Hint, hint. I don't have to wear short clothes. Anyways, I got this little shirt right here. It's super duper cute. I can wear it with a skirt or something, or some jeans.
This one's so cute.
Thank you. I got this pretty t-shirt right here. It has crosses on it and like neon colors. So this is a nice t-shirt. Yeah, this is the stuff that I would be wearing like out, like with tights and stuff, like leggings and stuff. That's why I want to give me a whole lot of biker shorts,
Let me see.
biker tights, whatever. Let you see what? Oh, this one? This is cute. It has a cross on it. And it's like a zebra print. You see the zebra print on it?
No.
This right here is like a zebra print.
It's a zebra print.
Yeah. So it has a cross on it. Pretty and pink. I love, love, love this shirt. Like I said, I'm losing the weight. But I love this shirt, y'all. This shirt says beautifully broken and it's in camouflage. I couldn't pass this up. I just couldn't. Beautifully broken. So cute. Okay. Now this shirt right here, let me see what this says. Oh, it says Risen Church. And it says moving forward. This is a shirt that I probably would just wear around the house. I would just wear this around the house. So yeah. Thank you. And this is just a regular green, almost camouflage green shirt. Like I can just wear this with something. It doesn't matter. Just wear it with something.
This one looks so
Let me see. This is a t-shirt. I love sports. I seen this right here and I just got it. I don't know what the meaning of it is, but I just got it because I thought it was nice looking and I can wear it with some biker tights like I said. Now this brand new, this still have the tag on it. I would definitely put some up under this. Y'all will not catch me wearing this. This is a bodysuit, by the way. But I would definitely wear this, and I would definitely put something underneath this. I would not wear this any other way without anything underneath this. Of course I wouldn't. But this is so super duper cute. I like it. I feel like it'll go with some, I don't know what to go with, but it'll definitely go with some. And I got class and style, so I can jazz it up with something.
sunflowers.
I love this shirt too. It just brighten up my day. So yeah, I have to watch this stuff, y'all. But this shirt right here,
It's sunflowers.
it says sunflowers on it. It's super duper cute. She liked them sunflowers.
It's this white and blue. It's a sky and flower and sunflowers.
Yeah, skies, blue, clouds, and sunflowers. So this is cute. I like that. These are some more jeggings, but they have a drawstring, so I can adjust them. And it has this at the end, so that's super duper cute. And they got shreds, and then they got shreds on the back. Yeah, these are super duper big though. Like I said, I can adjust them. I'll make them work.
What? Something coming on.
This your aunt. Hold on, y'all. It's Kizzy. Let me pop the camera. Come on, got my spots. Scoot over. Thank you. Okay, you can pass me some. Okay, yeah, I was on the call. You're gonna have to give it to me if you won't give it to me. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I had got these pants right here. I think they're so cute. They have buckles on them on the back. It's like camouflage pants. They have pockets. Then they have this right here. I probably would just kind of tighten these up at the end. Make them a little tighter at the leg. I have these right here. These are a 9-10. Then it look like I could fit them in there, but they're a 9-10. I would have to lose a lot of more weight to get into these, a 9-10. Because right now, I'm still in the 11-13. But y'all, the weight is falling off. I will say that the weight is falling off. I got these little pants right here. They're like a green. Don't do that. Don't do that. They're like a green, and they're almost like skinny jeans, I would say. I have these right here. Oh my goodness, that I'm giving to Christasia, because it ain't no way. Yeah, I'm telling you, this stuff look big in there, but no, I cannot fit these. I gotta get these to Christasia. Give me something, please. I got these, y'all, because I honestly, I got a shirt that is like this, and it's like, it's exactly like this. It's two-tone. It's white and it's gray. So I got these right here to go with that shirt. You know, if I can piece something together, I'm gonna piece it together. Then this shirt right here is also nice. It just says mama. See how you hurt yourself? Don't do that, okay? It says mama. It has animal print on it with flowers. Maybe it was a Mother's Day shirt. I don't know. Somebody gave mama some flowers. I thought it was cute. Come on, darling. You have to sit down. Okay, I have these right here. Some more jeggings. They're khaki, but they rolled up at the end. Somebody obviously rolled them up, but I would roll them up as well. So it's like some khaki.
Which one rolled them up?
What else we got over there? Oh, this is a cute little top. I don't know if I got this because this was like a confidence booster for me. This little shirt right here, it was like a confidence booster for me to try to exercise. Come on, get the camera, baby. A confidence booster because of my arms.
Like it's for kids.
And so I was like, you know what, just work my arms out so y'all can see the weight coming off them a little bit. But this right here is like fluid from my surgery. So that's all fluid right there.
Like
from the lymphedema. Like my hand is, this one is big and then this one is small. So yeah.
It look like it's little.
Yeah, it is little, but mommy gonna try to get into it. And last but not least, y'all, I have these pants right here. This is another pair of black pants. They're like skinny jeans at the end.
For the video.
And so yeah, so y'all, that is pretty much it. Comment down below what y'all thought about this haul. Do y'all think that I found some good finds, some good clothes? Comment down below if y'all liked it. What was y'all rate the haul? Just let me know down below in the comment section, y'all. So thank y'all for watching this portion of the vlog.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. I always give away too much. It's like I've got no sense of touch. I'm always pouring out my heart, no little by little here. I'm always pushing things too far. 2, 5, 6, 10 drinks at the bar. No boundaries, I get too close. No little by little here, 'cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I always run and hit the wall. I'd rather jump and risk the fall. I see no limits in the sky, no little by little here. No, no, got stuck on working on myself. Thought I was wrong and needed help, but I'm just different, something else. No little by little here, 'cause I give my all. Oh, no little by little, I pour out my heart. Little by little here. I'm gonna go everywhere and be myself, I swear. I'm gonna give my all, 'cause I don't care.
Okay, y'all, so I am officially done cooking. This is how the food looks. It has chicken breast, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and I think that's it. So I season it with garlic salt. I season the meat with Creole seasoning, onion powder, and garlic salt. This is my little bowl right here, y'all. I'm just to get ready to I'm just to get ready to top it off with some red crushed peppers. Crushed red pepper, rather. So yeah, y'all, this right here actually helps you lose weight if you cook it with the light tasting olive oil, and if you drain all the oil off of it, it can help you lose weight because it's vegetables. But it's cooked, but the all the nutrition is still inside the vegetables. So yeah, y'all might want to try this. It is good. I probably should have used more chicken, but it is what it is at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and bless my food and I'm gonna eat. Okay, y'all, so I am looking a hot mess, but anyways, y'all, don't mind that. Just like, share, comment, subscribe, y'all, if y'all enjoying the content. I'll see y'all in the next clip when I am spackling and painting these walls. So yeah, I'm gonna have a jam-packed vlog for y'all today, and I hope you guys enjoy. Love you guys.
Ever walk that road again where self-destruction rules me? Walk in heaven aligned with what I am. I'll shine again. I'll be free. to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. Ooh,
talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk,
Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
When the sun goes up, it might be the last day of you and me. You're lying next to me with heavy eyes, while I shiver inside with a heavy heart. I know what I've done, and I'm too afraid to let it go. If I could, I would turn back time. If I could, I would
Hey, Amaru. Only if you're ready, 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 ready. Let's go.
Okay, y'all, so this is what me and Kenzie done. So y'all say you saw me speckle, and
I see one.
so here's this side of the wall. Y'all, she's still going. Here's this side of the wall.
Because there's more.
And here is this side of the wall. Let me get over here for y'all.
I'm done.
And here is this side of the wall.
There's more. Hey.
We did this part over here where she's painted. So yeah, y'all.
Hey, my blanket.
Okay, y'all, so I am done. Everything that y'all seen on the vlog today is what the vlog really consists of, from the donation clothing haul to the cooking to the painting and spackling. Like, that's what today's vlog consists of, y'all. So I really just hope y'all enjoy the content. Like I said, y'all, like, share, comment, and subscribe if y'all haven't already. Become part of the All About Jazz family YouTube channel. If you are new, don't just stop by. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you have been a sub, then y'all, just thank y'all so much for y'all love and support, and continue to share the videos with everybody y'all know and love. Until next time, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Y'all stay humble, stay safe. Just put God first in everything that y'all do, and He'll see y'all through. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next vlog. I'm out. Peace.